Here in the cleaning zone, the cicadas are gently moved across the perforated belt, where debris is removed before the critical blanching stage.
Moisture content, 75%. 0.0 cubic centimeter.
The slight fluctuation in weight is immediately logged. Rejected batches showing anomalous weight are swiftly ejected. The frozen periodical cicadas enter a sealed, temperature-controlled chamber for a slow thaw process using warm, Each container is labeled with a digital tag, confirming and a readiness status for the deep. The containers move along the conveyor belt and enter a sealed gas flushing chamber.
Containers failing the rigorous weight and seal inspection are automatically diverted to the quarantine belt for reprocessing.
The carton is sealed and coated with GS1 tracking information. This ensures full traceability of the The retrieved pallet of Cicada Shell Crisps is gently transferred. The worker confirms the optimal temperature for transit, concluding Process A.
The meter displays a 0 reading, confirming the complete elimination of organic residue and pathogens, validating the sanitation protocol.
The residual cicada material is pumped into these tanks, beginning the demineralization process vital for extracting high-purity chitin.
Repeated high-pressure washing cycles ensure the chitin is completely neutral. The robotic arm takes a critical pH sample to confirm.
The high-purity chitin powder is conveyed from the clean room toward the Process B storage zone.
The vast Process B facility houses our high-purity chitin powder. The climate-controlled atmosphere
confirming the complete closure of all manufacturing operations for both Process A and Process B.
The molecular models confirm the interaction we hypothesized.
The structural integrity looks promising for the scaffold application.
As the magnetic agitator stirs the solvent, the chitin powder dissolves, forming the high-viscosity polymer gel. As seen here, the highly magnified chitin scaffold exhibits a uniform, porous structure.
High-purity chitin powder acts as a natural thickening and moisturizing agent for the luxury skin.
Chitin, or Process B, is proving essential in modern water treatment. As the high-purity powder is introduced, it rapidly agglomerates with contaminants.
The successful extraction and refinement process yields a product of perfect consistency and color.
Reliable, high-purity biopolymers are critical to our groundbreaking research. It ensures successful final function and a positive end-user experience.